The pileated woodpecker foraging for bugs on a tree. Scientific name, Dryocopus pileatus. Woodpeckers are a type of bird that forage for bugs in a tree. The bugs that they mostly harvest are carpenter ants and wood-boring beetle larvae. That loud tapping, consistent tapping you hear on a tree is most likely a woodpecker. The woodpecker plays a nice ecological role in speeding up tree decomposition, returning nutrients to the soil. What is also interesting is the black-capped chickadee that flies into the frame, seeming to greet the woodpecker during its work. More on what is going on between the pileated woodpecker and black-capped chickadee towards the end of the video. The pileated woodpecker you see here is an adult male. You can tell by its pointed triangular, shaped back part of the head and long narrow beak. He is about 9 to 10 inches from head to tail. They are the largest woodpeckers in North America. Their wingspans can reach up to 30 inches. They weigh 9 to 13 ounces on average. The black-capped chickadee's scientific name, Pileated Woodpecker. They are social birds with complex vocalizations within their own species, and also for other bird species. They are known for getting along well with other birds and alerting them of danger. The black-capped chickadee are smart, as they also learn from other bird species habits for their own survival.